Yo, going over SMCI here. If you watched our previous video, we mentioned it at $48 as well as $55. We said keep an eye out for a move towards $62, $61.88. They're going to be the resistance level to keep an eye out for. We're getting pretty close to $61.88. If I go into the hourly chart, we got very close actually. $61.88 being the resistance. We just rejected off of $61.68, so about 20 cents off there. But prediction pretty on spot as well. The Fibonacci retracements are working pretty well in my opinion. If anything, I do think we get that retest of $61.88. There should be another leg up towards about $76. That's where I'm expecting. That's where I'm personally expecting resistance to be at. So the higher we go up, again, be very careful in SMCI as we get closer towards 76. I think 76 here could be a potential top for now, and then we might get a bit of a pullback. You know, some people might be selling off there, especially the people getting caught up here at 61 or even 61 to about 76. You might get people get caught up here, and then there might be a bit of a sell-off. I think we get even a potential gap fill between $47.50 to right around $52. That's something to keep an eye out for moving forward, okay, if there is a pullback. As of right now, if you are trading SMCI, I think it's quite risky. That's just my opinion. Of course, there's still more upside to see. I think 76 here being a potential resistance level and a top, and then watch out for that rejection back down to 61.68, and then see if the gap fill occurs right around 48 to about 52. That would be natural in my opinion. Now, if you're long term on the SMCI, be sure to do your own due diligence. Other than that, I'm just here sharing the technical analysis based off of the charts. All are unbiased. I have no position in SMCI, just saying that there is a potential move towards $76, which is what I've been saying since 48. And now I'm just saying, watch out for that rejection up there at 76. You might get a bit of a pullback, which is normal in my opinion. That's just going to happen in a stock that's gone up so much in the short amount of time. Here, look. Recently, for example, we had a low of 17.25 and then a move up towards, 48? That's a 176% move towards the top side from the bottom. What happened next? We had a bit of a pullback, right? That pullback went all the way down to a low here of like 25.71. So that's about a 46% pullback. What's happening right now, right? We're having another spike up towards the top side. So I'm just saying eventually during these big moves up, right, there's going to be a downside move, and then some people are going to probably get caught up and then having to either sell at a loss or be holding, right? So depending on your position, if you're long term on SMCI, I guess you don't have to worry. But if you're short term trading this is extremely risky. So definitely keep an eye out for a potential pullback here. Right, so like I said, if we get a big move towards 76, watch for this potential pullback towards 62, and then, you know, worst case scenario or most bearish case scenario is down to 48. 48 there, going to be about a 37% drop if it's at 76 being the top. If you are in SMCI, I highly recommend joining the Discord down below. Description, link is in the description there. There's over 32,000 people and it's free to join. If you're looking for our live entries and exits, you can view them in our Patreon, link down below in the description as well. We currently have a 90% off discount. If that's something you're interested for, feel free to check out Patreon. We're celebrating our 5-year anniversary, so it's a permanent discount for anyone who is able to get in, okay? Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful in terms of support levels, resistance levels, again, I do think 76, 94, 122 are resistance levels that could be tested moving forward long term. In the short term, 76 here going to be rejected, I think, and then a pullback towards 48 is my prediction. In the short term too, long term or short term, whether you're in either of those positions, highly recommend joining the Discord. And stay tuned. I'll be making more videos on SMCI, especially as we trend closer towards 76. And especially if I'm correct or wrong, I'll still make a video for SMCI. It's always fun to make a prediction there. But 76 there, I think is going to get rejected. Okay. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, you know, if this is too harsh or if this is realistic, because I'm trying to share as much realistic, you know, unbiased technical analysis as I can. I'm not trying to push or shove the stock up or down in any certain way, just sharing the chart based off of the my own speculation. Okay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for SMCI.